Why do you think people are moving to Dubai all across the globe? Whether it is European, whether it is Indian, whether it is a Chinese, whether the investment coming from US. Actually ये हो क्या रहा है? सब लोग दुबई क्यों कर रहे हैं और क्यों दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करने में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है? ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आज हम कुछ ऐसे फैक्टर्स को इवैल्यूएट करेंगे जिसके कारण आफ्टर कोविड दुबई हैज़ बिकम अ स्पॉट वेयर एवरीबडी वांट्स टू इन्वेस्ट एंड एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ स्पॉट. इट इज़ नॉट फेक. It is not something which is unbelievable. It is the truth which has happened. It is not a bubble as people say. There are technical reasons why Dubai has come up. There are ample amount of facts and figures which says that Dubai in coming 5 years is going to be a land where all the millionaires are going to stay. Yes, so let's evaluate one by one as to what is happening in Dubai and why Dubai has become an extreme location of investment. Point number 1, Dubai has a tax-free income. Not for everybody, but for limited people who are NRIs. Today, Dubai offers a tax-free income. In case if you're planning to have a shift and spend like 9 months in Dubai, you acquire a residency visa and you are an NRI. After that, all your incomes are tax-free. So it's a great opportunity for all the people who have been paying taxes to invest in Dubai. Get yourself a permanent residency or maybe a residency visa, golden visa, and get yourself established over there. Point number 2, opportunity to have a golden visa or a normal residency by the property investment. As we know, काफ़ी सारे ऐसे कंट्रीज़ हैं जिसने प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्टमेंट करके रेसिडेंसी और परमानेंट पीआर को कैंसिल कर दिया है. जैसे कि उन सब बहुत सी कंट्रीज़ में एक ऐसी कंट्री है कनाडा, जहां आज प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू इन्वेस्टमेंट करके आप रेसिडेंसी वीज़ा नहीं ले सकते. बट दुबई टुडे ऑफर्स यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी जहां पर आप 1.5 to 1.7 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के बाद आपको वहां पर रेसिडेंसी वीज़ा मिलता है. आपके लिए नहीं, आपकी पूरी फैमिली के लिए. सो in case if you are an investor who plans to invest 1.7 crores, then you get a normal residency visa for 2 years, which can be renewed after 2 years. However, if you are an investor who plan to invest more than 4 crores or up to 4 crores, then you get an opportunity to get a golden visa. Isn't it exciting? Another reason is इसके mortgage rate, जिसको हम home loan rate भी बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर अगर हमारे 7 to 10% तक mortgage rates हैं, तो वहीं दुबई में आपको 3 से 4% पे आज लोन अवेलेबल है ऑन द रेडी पोजेशन प्रॉपर्टी. अगर आप नॉन रेसिडेंट भी हैं और अगर आप वहाँ दुबई में रेसाइड नहीं करते हैं तो भी आपको लोन की फैसिलिटी अवेल आप कर सकते हैं एट अबाउट 50% ऑफ द वैल्यू. सो availing a loan at a very nominal mortgage rate is the reason why people are shifting towards Dubai investment. Fourth very important reason is the return on investment. So whatever you are hearing that the return on investment is starting from somewhere around 7 to 10%, 12%, and fluctuating rentals for about 14%, this is not a dream, this is a reality. Yes, it is possible right now that you can invest in a property and 7 to 8% guaranteed और probably 7 to 10% का आपको रेंटल यील्ड आपको मिलती है. इनफैक्ट कई जगह जहाँ फ्लोटिंग रेंटल्स जो कि एयरबीएनबी और बहुत से ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पर आप रेंटल्स पे डाल सकते हैं, वहाँ तो आपको इनकम आपकी 10 to 11%, 12% तक भी हो सकती है. ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर आप रीसेल करते हैं तो टुडेज मार्केट में वी आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग अप टू 15% एज द रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इफ यू इन्वेस्ट इन अ राइट प्रॉपर्टी एट द राइट लोकेशन. Number 5th point, you are investing in a global market. So because of the global market, you have global investors, you have global architecturing, you have global products. All their apartments, all their properties are highly advanced. You get best of the culture, you get best of the people to stay in your neighbors and you can enjoy that global culture while you're taking a residence in Dubai. And by end of the day, Dubai is Dubai. 6th point, you can enjoy the best of infrastructure because Dubai offers best of the infrastructure to enjoy. You can have right kind of roads, you can have right means to travel, you can enjoy your life with a little bit of ease. So yes, people often go to Dubai to enjoy its infrastructure. 7th point, who can deny the nearness to India? ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि आज 2.5 घंटे में आप इंडिया से दुबई पहुंच जाते हैं और बहुत इजीली पहुंच पाते हैं. जिनके पास रेसिडेंसी वीज़ा है प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्टमेंट के थ्रू, उनको तो वीज़ा लेने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो नियरनेस टू इंडिया इज़ अनदर रीज़न वाई टुडे इंडिया से लोग दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए सोच रहे हैं। एंड द लास्ट रीजन which cannot be ignored is the stable currency. Since past 2 to 3 years, the currency has shown a great increment or probably a stability wherein Indian investors or probably global investors are turning their heads. While the other currencies are depreciating, the currency of Dubai has remained stable to give them timely appreciation. So yes, these are some of the factors which are extremely important from an investor perspective, which makes Dubai a very viable place of investment. So keep watching Nidhi Global. We'll share more reasons for you to invest, how to invest and where to invest.